So this is the exit of the kiln, and here is the exit of the 2cm, and that's our second kiln where you follow the 3cm production of the quartz gris. The quartz gris on 3cm and any 3cm product is cooked for 3 hours. In reality, they up the amount of time that we used to do before to get a little bit closer to almost cooking everything. You know, you cannot overcook the product. But that's the kiln. That's the exit of the kiln right there for the 3cm. And this is the exit of the kiln for the 2cm right there. And after this, we're gonna go and take a look at rectification process. So let's get something funny here. That's it inside. That's inside the kiln. 2,700 Fahrenheit. That's how long, that's the temperature of cooking on our products.